Today is the 17th of November 2020. Here's Mannilantie, was it 11?
Yeah.
Staircase D. And the last staircase in this residential building. I think this residential building has 4 staircases. We can get into all of them, hopefully. There are 4 floors here, and it was built in 1975 by ValmetSchlieren, turning 45 years old this year in 2020. And it's Järvenpää, there's gonna also in Mannilantie. And the serial number is VS4109. And the serial number, and it will be inspected in the next year, 2021, with 4 floors. Just 4 floors and still elevators here. Even though normally, even in 4 or even 5 floor buildings, sometimes they didn't build them. But in this case, yes. Because maybe Järvenpää was good at building them into even low buildings.
Yeah.
Nothing exactly in every one, because we have found one where there's only 1 elevator in the building.
Yeah.
But 3 staircases. But also with the 2 other ones, it's 4 floors.
Yeah.
There's still no elevator. But mostly it's good. The situation is quite good.
Inspected by Kiva Inspected, maintained by Suomen hissiurakointi.
Yes. Maybe that 1979 building was just an exception.
Yeah.
Because they needed to save a little bit there. So thank you for watching. That's it.
That's it.